Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you a new update in Copilot Studio that wasn't available earlier. On the Agent Overview page, you can now see a new Agent Status column for your agents. This feature is currently in preview, and it helps you quickly understand the health of your agents. The status can show values such as ready, warning, or blocked, making it easier to identify and troubleshoot issues. You can find this feature on the Agent Overview page. This makes it much easier to monitor and manage your agents without having to manually review their configurations. As this agent status is shown as warning, let's see why this is in warning state. Let's click on the Review button. We can see the message. No evaluation has been run on this agent. Run on to verify quality before publishing. The agent status shows as draft, sources evaluation, category as quality, and the severity as warning. Now let's click on the Evaluate Agent button. Copilot Studio will automatically generate 10 test questions for the agent. Each question will then be evaluated and marked as pass or fail. For this demo, I'm keeping the default out-of-the-box configuration and not changing any settings. These questions are automatically generated based on the agent's configuration, instructions, and knowledge sources. I'll just click on the Evaluate button to run it. Configure the account to manage profile and connections. We can see two connections: Work IQ Copilot MCP and Work IQ User MCP. Just run it. The evaluation tool started running. It is preparing the test cases. It's running now. This takes a few seconds to complete. Each question is evaluated against the agent's response, and the response quality is then marked as pass or fail. As this is evaluated as pass, this test failed because escalation to a live representative is not configured in this agent. Likewise, all the generated questions will be evaluated, and each one will be marked as either pass or fail, based on the agent's response quality. All the test questions have been evaluated. The agent scored 80%, with 8 passed and 2 failed out of 10 test cases. Now, let's check the agent status. The agent is now in the ready state, whereas it was in the warning state before the evaluation was run. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Copilot Studio and Power Platform updates. Also, don't forget to check out the Copilot Studio Masterclass playlist, waiting for you at the end of the screen.